I'm going to start out with a little bit about the background behind why we want to use linked data in library discovery and what I mean by that, and then provide a sampling of some of the approaches we took to integrate linked data and knowledge graph information into library discovery. Again, these are all, a lot of these are prototype and experimental work that we hope will inform our library catalogs later on, but I'll get into that a little bit later. And then I'll end with a brief discussion of challenges and opportunities. So imagine you want to use the library catalog. So you go to your, let's say you want to go to your university catalog. More than likely, you're going to conduct what's called a known item search. And what that means is you have a title in mind. All the heavy lifting for more of your sort of open-ended discovery tasks like researching a topic or trying to even understand what you might want has probably already been done elsewhere.